Welcome to InfinitySync, your go-to destination for cutting-edge educational content. Get ready to embark on an extraordinary journey of discovery and learning. Dive into the depths of the ocean and soar to the far reaches of outer space with captivating demonstrations and immersive simulations. At InfinitySync, we believe that learning knows no bounds. That's why we're dedicated to bringing you the most engaging and informative content designed to expand your mind and ignite your curiosity. Whether you're a student striving for academic success, a professional looking to broaden your skills, or simply a lifelong learner hungry for knowledge, InfinitySync has something for you. Here at InfinitySync, we believe that learning is not just about acquiring knowledge, but also about fostering creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration. Join our ever-growing community of learners from every corner of the globe as we explore the vast universe of ideas and innovations together. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to InfinitySync today, and let's embark on this epic educational journey together.